Hello everyone, this is Dimple Thakur here. वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बायोलॉजी बेसिक। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ HPPSC असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर जूलॉजी का क्वेश्चन पेपर। एग्जाम की नोटिफिकेशन 2022 में कंडक्ट की गई थी, पर जो एग्जाम है किसी रीजन की वजह से 2023 में कंडक्ट किया गया था। जो एग्जाम है या क्वेश्चन पेपर को टोटल 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है। इंग्लिश, हिंदी, HPGK, जीके एंड सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक पार्ट जूलॉजी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चेंज द फॉलोइंग इनटू पैसिव वॉइस। मे आई नॉट पे द फी दिस टाइम। द राइट आंसर इज मे द फी बी नॉट पेड बाय मी दिस टाइम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, चूज द करेक्ट सेंटेंस। The right option is option C. It cannot be said whether he will succeed this time. Question number 3, choose the correct indirect form of following. She said to her brother, please give me more money. The right answer is option B. She requested her brother to give her more money. Question number 4, which of following explain the given expression? Some believe that doctors are infallible as they think that they. Right answer is option C. They never make a mistake. Question number 5. Which of following conveys the similar meaning of the given expression? Hardly had we boarded the bus when the tire punctured. Right answer is option A. As soon as we boarded the bus, the tire punctured. Question number 6. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. By the time children dash home, the cook filling the blanks the food. The right answer is by the time children reach home, the cook will have prepared the food. Question number 7. Arrange the following jumbled part into a meaningful sentence. The right answer is option D. Q. Conflicts and coercions in the today's world must be minimized in order to ensure the cooperation and peaceful existence. Right answer is option D. Next part is Hindi. Question number 8. Power का उच्चारण स्थान क्या है? The right answer is option C. Post. Question number 9. शुद्ध शब्द का विकल्प चुने. The right answer is option B. अहिल्या. पुनर्जीवित का संधि विच्छेद है. The right answer is option C. पुनः जमा उच्चमा जीवित. Question number 11. प्रेमचंद के उपन्यास आज भी प्रासंगिक है. रेखांकित वाक्यांश में कारक पहचानिए. The right answer is option A. संबंध. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. कुछ ना कुछ प्रबंध तो हो ही जाएगा. रेखांकित पद सर्वनाम के किस भेद का उदाहरण है? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. संयुक्त. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. संज्ञा अथवा विशेषण के साथ क्रिया जोड़ने से जो संयुक्त क्रिया बनती है उसे क्या कहते हैं? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. नामबोधक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. इधर उधर कूड़ा मत फेंको. रेखांकित पद है इधर उधर. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. स्थानवाचक अव्यय. नेक्स्ट पोर्शन इज HPGK. Question number 15. Sorry. Which of the following is the correct date and year of the discovery of hot water springs at Kopra and Jwalamukhi in Kangra district? The right answer is option B. December 10, 1854. Question number 16. Which of following areas of district Kangra and Shimla were excluded from the list of inaccessible areas by the Himachal Pradesh government? Sorry. Re-notification of 2008. The right answer is option A. Chitgaon from Shimla and Chota Bengal from the Kangra district. Question number 17. How much additional green energy the Himachal Pradesh government wants to add by 2030 under the Swarn Jayanti Energy Policy 2021 according to Himachal Pradesh Government Economic Survey 2021-22? The right answer is option B. 10,000 megawatt. Question number 18. How many women were elected to the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly in the election of 2012? The right answer is option C, 3. Question number 19. Identify from the following the correct percentage of increase in Himachal Pradesh budget from for 2022 to 2023. The option C, 2.3%. Question number 20. Which is the correct number of de-addiction center in Himachal Pradesh in early 2022? The right answer is option A, 79. Sorry. Which of following is the correct number of gram panchayats in January 2014 in Himachal Pradesh? The right answer is option D, 3243. Next part is general knowledge. Question number 22. Which of following is not painting made by Amrita Shergill? The right answer is option B, Kalki Avtara. Question number 23. How much percentage of operating land holdings of 25 acres or less was held by Indian cultivators in 1980 to 1981? The right answer is option C, nearly 98%. Identify from among the following the correct number of biosphere reserves in India till 2021. The right answer is option D, 15. Which of following states of India has the State University for Women? The right answer is option D, Haryana. Which of following articles of Indian Constitution refers to the establishment of uniform civil code for India? The right answer is option A, 44. Which of the following countries the Lake Baikal is located? The right answer is option D, Russia. Which of following is correct about Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation? The right answer is option A. Up to 2004, it had 221 members. Question number 29. Which of following is correct about Communiform, Communist Information Bureau? The right answer is option D. It was created by Soviet Union. Which of following is correct date of International Museum Day? The right answer is option C, May 18. Next part is subject specific part, geology part. Question number 31. Consider the following statement with reference to succession. इकोलॉजिकल सक्सेशन में के कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं, उसमें से आपको चूज करना है कि ये सारी स्टेटमेंट किस मॉडल से बिलोंग करती हैं. Number 1, it involves strong competitive interactions. Number 2, no one species is completely superior to another. 3, the next successional species make the site less suitable for both early and late successional species. These statements are characteristics of. The right answer is option B, inhibition model. Question number 32. इसमें दो लिस्ट दी गई है. एक लिस्ट में इस साइड प्रीडेटर, ग्रेजर, पैरासाइट, पैरासिटोइड दिए हैं और उनकी पूरी डेफिनेशन दी है लिस्ट 2 में, तो हमें करेक्टली मैच करना है. ट्रू प्रीडेटर, तो ट्रू प्रीडेटर क्या करता है, अपने जो प्रे है उसको इमिडिएटली किल कर देता है. तो ऑप्शन 1 ट्रू प्रीडेटर का है ऑप्शन डी, दे किल देयर प्रे इमिडिएटली आफ्टर अटैकिंग. तो यहाँ पे कौन मैच कर रहा है, ऑप्शन बी, फर्स्ट का डी, ग्रेजर. अब ग्रेजर जो ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स हैं वो क्या करते हैं, घास खाते हैं. तो एक पेड़ को खाएंगे, एक पौधे को खाएंगे, फिर दूसरे पौधे को खाएंगे. तो they attack large number of prey one after another during their lifetime but remove only a part rather than whole prey. मतलब अगर वो घास खा रहे हैं तो ऐसा तो नहीं है वो पूरा ही पार्ट खा जाएंगे, ओनली लीव्स खाएंगे या कुछ और पार्ट ईट करेंगे. 3, पैरासाइट. पैरासाइट क्या करेंगे, एक सिंगल होस्ट पे रहते हैं, ठीक है, ये उसकी न्यूट्रिशन वगैरह जो होस्ट है उससे न्यूट्रिशन लेंगे, लेकिन कभी नहीं होगा कि उसका होस्ट जो है इमिडिएटली डेथ हो जाएगी उसकी. तो यहाँ पे दे कंज्यूम पार्ट ऑफ देयर प्रे एंड अटैक आर टिपिकली हार्मफुल बट रेयरली लीगल. पेस्टिसाइड्स, they are intimately associated with single host individual and do not cause immediate death of the host but their eventual lethality is inevitable. ये क्या करेंगे, लार्वा स्टेजेस जो पैरासिटोइड्स हैं वो किसी होस्ट की लार्वा स्टेजेस में क्या करेंगे, रहेंगे, उनके लार्वा को ईट कर जाएंगे, ठीक है, डेथ नहीं कॉज करते इमीडिएटली, बट इवेंचुअली अगर लार्वा ही किल हो जाएगा तो एडल्ट में ही कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा, तो उनकी होस्ट की क्या हो जाएगी, डेथ हो जाएगी. द राइट ऑप्शन इज फॉर right answer for this question is option B. Question number 33. Vector designed to replicate in cells of two different species are called option B, shuttle vectors. DNA of bacterium is not cleaved by its own restriction enzyme because the recognition of DNA sequences are methylated. Option A, methylated. Question number 35. Name the mosquito-borne disease caused by a viral pathogen. The right answer is Japanese encephalitis. Question number 36. Sex chromosome based dosage compensation is in human is brought about by. डोजेज कंपेंसेशन में क्या होता है कि मोस्टली जो डिप्लॉयड ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं उनमें 2 क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं जो सेक्स डिटरमाइनिंग क्रोमोसोम्स है, एक्स एंड वाई. तो मेल में क्या होगा, सिंगल एक्स क्रोमोसोम है, लेकिन फीमेल में क्या है, डबल एक्स क्रोमोसोम है. तो एक्स क्रोमोसोम की जो जीन्स हैं वो एक में ज्यादा एक्सप्रेस करेंगे और एक सेक्स में कम एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. तो इन इन जीन्स की एक्टिविटी को इक्वल करने के लिए क्या होगा, या तो कोई क्रोमोसोम एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा, या तो इनएक्टिव हो जाएगा, या तो एक्स्ट्रा परफॉर्म करेगा. तो इसमें जो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, इनएक्टिविटी ऑफ एक्स क्रोमोसोम इन फीमेल्स, जिसको हम बारबोडेज बोलते हैं. ऑप्शन राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, inactivity of X chromosome in females. While genetic elements present in human genome are lines, long interspersed elements, short interspersed elements, P element, IS elements. The right answer is 1 and 2, क्योंकि P और IS elements बैक्टीरिया या उनमें प्रेजेंट होते हैं. तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, 1 and 2. Question number 38. Cell cycle is controlled by change in concentration of CDK cell-dependent kinases, concentration of cyclin only, concentration of both CDKs and cyclin, activity of CDKs. The right answer is concentration of CDKs and concentration of cyclin only and activity of CDKs. The right answer is option 2 and 4. Option C, 2 and 4. Concentration of cyclin and activity of CDKs. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. लिस्ट 1 में यहाँ पे दिया गया है जो नेफ्रॉन है उसके पार्ट्स दिया हुआ है और वो क्या फंक्शन फॉर्म करते हैं वो दिया गया है, तो हमें इनको मैच करना है. असेंडिंग लूप ऑफ हेनले, एक्टिव इफ्लक्स ऑफ सोडियम, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक तरह से आयन की कंसेंट्रेशन ज्यादा होनी चाहिए जो मेडुला है वहां पे जो भी नेफ्रॉन प्रेजेंट होता है. तो असेंडिंग लूप ऑफ हेनले क्या करें, एक्टिव इफ्लक्स ऑफ सोडियम. डिसेंडिंग लूप ऑफ हेनले, पैसिव एंट्री ऑफ सोडियम. प्रॉक्सिमल ट्यूब्यूल, reabsorption of glucose. Collecting tubule, diffusion of water. The right option is option A. Recessive X-linked traits are passed from fathers to sons, are never expressed in females, are most likely to express in males, cannot be passed from mother to daughters. The right answer is option C, are most likely to be expressed in males. Select the correct statements with respect to lipoproteins. Chylomicron produced by intestinal mucosa cells are largest lipoprotein particle in bloodstream. Lipoproteins are synthesized in liver. High density lipoprotein remove cholesterol from tissue and carry to the liver. Low density lipoprotein transfer cholesterol to the fat cell. The right answer is option B. 1, 2, 3 are correct only. 1, 2, 3. Option 4 is wrong. Question 42. Acid precipitation in the result of human modification of carbon and nitrogen cycle, carbon and sulfur cycle, nitrogen and sulfur cycle, nitrogen and phosphorus cycle. तो एसिड रेन है, एसिड रेन में नाइट्रस एसिड होगा एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड होगा. तो कौन सा जो साइकिल है वो चेंज होगा, दैट इज नाइट्रोजन एंड सल्फर साइकिल. Select the correct statement with reference to immunoglobulins. IG, IgG. A gene cluster coding for heavy chain of IgG are on one chromosome and for light chain are on the other. ये जो जीन्स हैं आईजीजी की हैवी चेन को कोड करने के लिए, बनाने के लिए, वो एक क्रोमोसोम में प्रेजेंट होंगे और लाइट चेन के लिए दूसरे क्रोमोसोम पे प्रेजेंट होंगे. तो राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए. Scuffner dots in Plasmodium vivax is present. Right answer is option C, on the surface of infected RBC, red blood cells. Which of following combination of properties hold true for the structure of DNA proposed by Watson and Crick? It has double-stranded right-handed helical structure, right. The two chains are parallel in polarity. This is wrong. They are in anti-parallel polarity. Diameter of helix is 2 nanometer and pitch of helix is 3.4 nanometer. This is right. There are 10 base pair in each strand. This is also right. The degree of rotation for each base pair is minus 36 degree. This is the wrong. The right answer will be option C, 1, 3 and 4. Question number 46. Valsalva maneuver during heavy weightlifting. Right answer is option B, reduces the venous return. Cyber green is useful in real-time PCR because it. Right answer is option C, fluoresces only when bound to the double-stranded DNA. In a population of two allele A and B of genotype in a ratio of 0.2 and 0.8 in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, how many individuals in the sample of 300 can be expected to be homozygous for allele A? Right answer is option B. Name the potential ovary determining gene on an autosome. The right answer is WNT4. Growth hormone is known to have anti-insulin activities because it. Right answer is option A, suppresses the ability of insulin to stimulate uptake of glucose in peripheral tissue. If a protection of species indirectly protects the many other species that make up the ecological community of its habitat, then the species is referred to as. इसमें थोड़ा confusion होता है, but right answer is umbrella species. Ampullae of Lorenzini are visual sense organs to sense. इसमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूज होता है, किसी बुक पे ये सारे ही करेक्टर्स प्रेजेंट हैं कि एम्पल और लॉरेंजिनी ये सारी चीजें सेंस करते हैं, बट किसी किसी बुक्स में अलग आंसर है. तो इसका राइट आंसर है बी, थर्मल चेंजेस इन वाटर. Phenylketonuria is example of genetic disease in which. Right answer is option A, single enzyme is not functional. Select the correct statement with reference to fluid mosaic model. Membrane protein have both hydrophilic or hydrophobic regions which affect their position and function in membrane, right? Carbohydrate that attach to lipid and protein on the outside of membrane serve as recognition sites. This is also right. Integral membrane protein lack hydrophobic domain and are not embedded in bilayer. This is wrong. Integral protein तो already embedded होती हैं और इनमें हाइड्रोफोबिक डोमेन भी होता है. For peripheral membrane protein have hydrophobic domain and serve as recognition site. This is wrong. The right answer is option 1 and 2. Option A. Question number 55. Triples repeat sequence occurs in. The right answer is B, Huntington disease. Which of following processes does not take place in 5 prime to 3 prime direction? DNA replication भी होता है, transcription, nick translation and RNA editing. The right option is option D, RNA editing. A solution has following composition in moles per liter, KCl equal to 142, NaCl 4, MgCl 2 4, glucose 100. The osmotic pressure in solution will be nearly. The right answer is option B, 400. Which of following pathogen enters the human body without help of vector? The right answer is stoma. बाकी सबके vectors होते हैं. If a protein is poorly expressed in a diseased tissue, then which of following blotting methods will be used to determine whether the defect is at the level of transcription or translation? The right answer is option C, northern and western. The replacement of species along a gradient or habitat or community is called answer is option B, beta diversity. PCR-based DNA amplification is essential feature of which of following combination of molecular markers? Restriction fragment length polymorphism, amplified fragment length polymorphism, single sequence repeat. The right answer is option B, AF, LP, SSR, AF, RAPT. Restriction amplified polymorphic DNA. The right answer is B. ये जो तीनों मेथड्स हैं इनमें हमें क्या चाहिए? PCR बेस्ड एम्प्लीफिकेशन की जरूरत पड़ती है. Question number 62. Glycolysis is regulated by allosteric control of phosphofructokinase, which is. The right answer is option A, inhibited by ATP, activated by ADP or AMP. So select the incorrect statement with regards to the aquaporin. The right answer is option B. Aquaporin cannot transport uncharged molecule, for example, ammonia and H3. To convert the single-stranded RNA into double-strand DNA, in addition to enzyme reverse transcriptase, which of following are essential? RNA template, a primer, all 4 NDN deoxynucleotides, a DNA template. The right answer is option B, 1, 2, 3 only. A tertiary structure of protein is detected by spectrophotometry, electrophoresis, chromatography, and crystallography. The right answer is option D, crystallography. The first nuclear transplant, somatic cell cloning from animal to an egg that produced a normal adult, was performed on. The right answer is option C, frog. Question number 67. The glycolysis in prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells takes place in. The right answer is option C, cytosol. The breakdown of liver glycogen is stimulated by. The right answer is option D, adrenaline and glucagon. Question number 69. The majority of the free fatty acid are transported in blood. The right answer is option C, bound to albumin. Which of following would release most energy when completely oxidized in the body? The right answer is option B, 1 gram of palmitic acid. Palmitic acid fats में आता है, lipids में आता है, तो right answer is 1 gram of palmitic acid. During the exercise, the secretion of adrenaline from adrenal gland is stimulated by. Option D, increased sympathetic nerve activity. Question number 72. The mode of action of steroid hormone involves modifying gene transcription in target cells, binding to cell membrane receptor, activation of protein kinases, covalent modification of enzyme activity. The right answer is option A, modifying gene transcription in the target cells. Question number 73. Which of following two join DNA fragment to the lagging strand? The right answer is option D, ligases. The cholesterol is a complex lipid and vital precursor of following except. The right answer is option D, insulin. Which of following communicable disease is not transmitted by Culex species as vector? The right answer is option B, filariasis. Question number 76. Flatworm, phylum Platyhelminthes are called. The right answer is option A, acylomates and lack circulatory and respiratory system. Question number 77. Which of following are lobophorate phyla? The right answer is option A, Phoronida, Ectoprocta and Brachiopoda. Question number 78. Which of following is deuterostomial coelomate? The right answer is option D, Chordata and Echinodermata. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium lines the right answer is option D, upper respiratory tract. Mature red blood corpuscles lose their capacity for option C, aerobic respiration, RNA synthesis and DNA replication. न्यूक्लियस जो है एब्सेंट होता है आरबीसीज में, तो डीएनए और आरएनए की सिंथेसिस नहीं होगी और एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन भी नहीं होगी. Question number 81. The white blood cells that are most active phagocytic in nature are. The right answer is option C, neutrophils and macrophages. Question number 82. A small rise in body temperature of a human is corrected mainly by. The right answer is option D, dilating the skin arteries. Question number 83. Z line of the sarcomere is the site where cross bridges attach, nerve innervates the muscle cell, actin filament attach, myosin filament attach. The right answer is option C, actin filaments attach. Question number 84. Which of following is not an effect produced by parasympathetic stimulation in vertebrates? The right answer is option A, dilation of pupil. Question number 85. Hypothalamic releasing hormone reaches the anterior pituitary by the way of hypothalamic hypophyseal lymphatic vessel, posterior pituitary gland, hypothalamic hypophyseal portal veins, D axon. The right answer is option C, hypothalamic hypophyseal portal veins. Question number 86. Which of following is a neuropeptide hormone? The option D, oxytocin. Which of following human cranial nerves does send parasympathetic stimulation to heart, stomach and liver? The right answer is option C, vagus. वेगस से कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन हमेशा ही पूछा जाता है किसी भी एग्जाम में बायोलॉजी से रिलेटेड. तो ये वेगस जो नर्व है वो एग्जामिनर की फेवरेट है. Question number 88. All the hormones of adrenal cortex are synthesized from. The right answer is option C, cholesterol. Question number 89. Human, the sperm pass from the vagina through the uterus to the top of fallopian tubes because of contraction of uterus and fallopian tubes. These contractions are initiated during sexual intercourse by the release of option A, oxytocin and prostaglandins. In order to digest away the oocyte cell layers, the sperm acrosome stores enzymes. The right answer is option C, hyaluronidase and protease. Question number 91. Human menstrual cycle is controlled by hormones produced and secreted by. Right answer is option C, pituitary gland and ovaries. Question number 92. Majority of protists are motile and their movement may be exhibited by flagella, pseudopod or cilia, tentacle or pseudopod, muscles or cilia, contractile vacuole or cilia. The right answer is option A, Right answer is option A, flagella, pseudopodia, and cilia. Strontium 90 can replace zinc in plants and animals, calcium in plants and animals, potassium in plants and animals, calcium and potassium in plants and animals. The right answer is option B, calcium in plants and animals. Which of following species, which of following communicable diseases is transmitted by Culex species? The right answer is option D, Japanese encephalitis. Which of following is not an example of homeostasis? The right answer is option C, movement of sodium into cell during the action potential. होम्योस्टेसिस में टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करना, तो सोडियम अगर एक्शन पोटेंशियल के टाइम पे क्या होता है, सेल के अंदर जाता है, तो इससे होम्योस्टेसिस मेंटेन नहीं होगा. In honeybees, the fertilized eggs develop into sterile workers or fertile queens, only sterile queens, only fertile males. The right answer is option A, sterile workers or fertile queens. Question number 96-7. Wisdom teeth is present in. Right answer is option C, Homo erectus. In RNA interference, genes are silenced using. The right answer is option C, double-stranded RNA. Due to a nuclear accident in Chernobyl nuclear power station in 1986, the right answer is option A, high level of radionuclides carbon 134 and carbon 137 were detected in honeybees. Question number 100. Correct sequence of biomass that an ecologist would pass when he traveled from equator to poles. The right answer is option D, rainforest, coniferous forest, taiga and tundra. तो ये था जोलॉजी का, कॉलेज का जोलॉजी का क्वेश्चन पेपर. चलिए मिलते हैं किसी और क्वेश्चन पेपर के साथ. थैंक यू.